Welcome to the 30-Day Twitter Challenge for Teachers with Eric Langhorst, a step-by-step guide to getting started and getting the most out of Twitter. Hi, my name is Eric, and you're in Day 2 of Twitter for Teachers, a 30-day program to help teach educators how to use Twitter. Yesterday on Day 1, we talked a little bit about the history of Twitter and some of the very basic concepts of Twitter, what it is. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how Twitter is being used in education. Now, there's a wide variety of ways that Twitter is currently being used, but research has shown that probably the most common way is for teachers collaborating with other teachers. But that's far from the only use. There's also some great examples of how teachers are using it in the classroom with students. There's some examples of students doing things like creating real-time tweets based off of historical events. For example, the Cuban Missile Crisis, tweets happening and being scheduled to happen, telling the story of the Cuban Missile Crisis as it's happened on the anniversary of the event, for example. There's some great ways that teachers are using Twitter to do review sessions with students. There's some ways that teachers are using Twitter to collaborate with parents and talk to parents about what's happening in class. So there's really a wide variety of ways that Twitter is being used in education today. The resources that I have down below for you are a bunch of articles that talk about a variety of these different topics. There's some research articles that talk about how Twitter is being used in education. There's some real-life examples. There are some particular cases from where it's being used with students in schools. So really what I want you today is check out those resources. And then for the task for today, I want you to watch the brief video that I've embedded that's going to talk about a variety of these different uses. So check out the resources, look at the articles, but then go ahead and watch the video. And that is your particular task for today. That's it for Day 2. On Day 3, we're going to talk a little bit about creating personal or school accounts for Twitter and talk a little bit about the pros and cons of, as a teacher, should you have a personal account that is separate from your school account, or does it matter if you have a personal account that is also used for school setting? So we'll talk about that tomorrow on Day 3. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Please check out the entire collection of tips to help teachers use Twitter at twitterforteachers.com.